In this video, I will show you how to create Naver account with PVA Creator. Select Naver and click Add button. Input a random name and how many accounts you want to create. You can leave proxy blank, but better one account one proxy. You can import your proxy from here. I'm not using it here. Here input username and password. Input your email account. Enable POP or IMAP. Copy these to PVA Creator. I'm using 2. Visit this site and copy your username and token to PVA. You can check if they have an available phone number. Then input the available country. Now just click Start.